Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this super cute race car potty by my first years. It is so cute and just adorable. So I am the type of person that's gonna go all out when my child is doing something. So he loves cars. Figured this was a great way to help him transition into potty training. So we have this super fun race car potty chair. So I like this because it comes apart. It's super easy to put together. There are a few cool features. The tires look like a toy tire. Like, it's pretty legit. And it's pretty sturdy as well, which is nice. This top part comes off. And then the bottom part is a separate pan here that is pretty deep as well, so he can do his business and we don't have to worry about that. And then the back as well comes off if you need it to. So it's nice and petite, and it's just so fun and so cute. And we love it. So I definitely recommend it and think you should try it out. And that is my point of view.